So here's a quick garlic update for you. It's January right now. Back in December, before Christmas time, I had come out here and told you about the cold spell that we were about ready to get, that everybody got in the U.S. We had negative 30-degree wind chills here. It was down in the negatives for a couple days, and it was really, really super cold. And I wasn't sure how the garlic would do. We don't usually get that extreme of temperatures here in Northwest Ohio. But I do have this garlic, which is planted in the fall. I do have it heavily mulched with leaves, compost and leaves on top. And it had already popped through, before the ground froze in November. But you'll see I do still have green garlic showing, even though we did have those extreme cold temperatures. I think it's going to be fine. There's some damage on them, but that's fine. As long as I'm seeing this green everywhere, I think the garlic's going to be fine. So as long as you keep your garlic mulched well throughout the winter, it should do good, even in the northern areas that get extreme cold temperatures.